Riding the Washington, D.C. Metro is a convenient and efficient way to navigate the city's bustling streets and reach your desired destinations. The Metro system, known for its iconic red, blue, orange, green, yellow, and silver lines, connects various neighborhoods, tourist attractions, and business districts within the nation's capital. With its extensive network of stations, the Metro offers locals and visitors alike a reliable means of transportation. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring historical landmarks, or enjoying the vibrant city life, understanding a few key tips for riding the Metro will help you make the most of your journey. Welcome back to the Washington, D.C. vlog. And in today's video, we share to you how to ride the D.C. Metro, a Washington, D.C. travel vlog. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe with our channel and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever we have a new video. With that out of the way, let's jump right in. First up, get a Smartrip Card. To access the Metro, it's essential to have a Smartrip Card. You can purchase one at any Metro station using cash or a credit card. The card costs $10, with $2 going towards the physical plastic and $8 as fare credit. Each person in your travel group needs their own Smartrip Card, as sharing is not allowed. Alternatively, you can use the Smartrip app on your phone for a virtual card. Stand on the right. One crucial rule on the Metro is to stand on the right side of the escalator and leave the left side free for those who want to walk. This etiquette is often missed by tourists and can help you blend in with the locals. Remember, the left side is for walking and the right side is for standing. Understand Metro pricing. Metro pricing in Washington, D.C. is based on distance traveled and whether you're traveling during peak hours or off-peak. Peak hours typically align with weekday rush hour. However, starting in September 2021, weekend flat fares were introduced, allowing unlimited travel on Saturdays and Sundays for only $2. Purchase Smartrip cards locally. While it may seem convenient to buy a Smartrip card online and have it shipped to your home, it's best to purchase one once you arrive in DC. Many visitors have made the mistake of forgetting to bring their pre-purchased cards, resulting in the need to buy another one upon arrival. Commemorative Smartrip cards are the exception, as they can only be obtained online. Check for track work. Metro construction and track work have been ongoing for years in Washington, D.C. It's essential to check for any upcoming track work that may affect your travel plans. I recommend referring to the planned track work schedule, which can be found online, to avoid unexpected disruptions. Avoid rush hour. Washington, D.C. experiences heavy Metro crowds during rush hour, which typically occurs from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. If possible, try to avoid these peak hours, as it can be more crowded and hectic. Traveling during off-peak hours between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. or after 7 p.m. offers a more relaxed experience. Allow extra time. While the Metro is an efficient mode of transportation, it may not always be as fast as expected. Delays and unforeseen issues can occur, so it's essential to give yourself extra time when traveling to ensure you arrive at your destination punctually. If you have scheduled activities or reservations, accounting for potential delays will prevent any last-minute rushing. Avoid touching the train doors. Broken train doors can cause service disruptions, leading to delays and inconvenience for all passengers. It's important to refrain from touching or leaning against the doors while the train is in motion. Additionally, avoid holding doors open for latecomers if your group cannot board the train all at once. Instead, wait for the next train. Wait for others to exit the train. To maintain order and avoid chaos, it's essential to wait for others to exit the train before boarding. Stand to the side and allow passengers to disembark before attempting to get on. This courtesy is greatly appreciated by locals and ensures a smoother flow of traffic. Use the Metro map and apps. Make use of the official Metro map provided at the station or download one of the many Metro map apps available for your smartphone. These maps will help you plan your routes, understand the different lines, and identify transfer points. Some apps even provide real-time updates on train schedules and service disruptions. Avoid eating or drinking on the Metro. Eating or drinking on the Metro is generally frowned upon. To maintain cleanliness and respect the shared space, it's best to finish your food or beverages before entering the station or wait until you reach your destination. Be mindful of personal belongings. As with any public transportation system, it's important to be mindful of your personal belongings. Keep your bags, backpacks, and other valuables close to you at all times to prevent theft or loss. Avoid placing your belongings on empty seats, as it's courteous to offer seating to other passengers when the metro is crowded. Be prepared for stairs and escalators. Washington, D.C.'s metro system has numerous stations with escalators and stairs. If you have difficulty with stairs or escalators, look for elevators or ask metro staff for assistance. Be aware that escalators in the metro usually have a standing-only rule, and walking on them may not be allowed. Follow metro etiquette. To blend in with the locals, it's important to follow metro etiquette. Avoid playing loud music, talking loudly on your phone, or engaging in disruptive behavior. Use headphones if you want to listen to music or watch videos. Being respectful of your fellow passengers will make everyone's journey more enjoyable. Utilize Metro Bus and Circulator. While the metro is an excellent way to get around, consider utilizing Metro Bus and the DC Circulator for shorter trips or to reach destinations not directly served by the metro. These bus services have their own fares, but the Smartrip Card can be used for payment. Plan your route in advance. Before heading out, familiarize yourself with the layout of the city and plan your route accordingly. Use maps or navigation apps to determine the best way to reach your destination, taking into account traffic patterns, public transportation options, and any potential construction or road closures. Be mindful of peak traffic hours. Like many major cities, Washington, D.C. experiences heavy traffic during peak hours. Avoid commuting during rush hour, typically 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. to minimize delays and congestion. Use mobile apps for real-time updates. Various mobile apps provide real-time updates on traffic conditions, public transportation schedules. Download these apps to stay informed and make informed decisions about your commute. In addition to riding the DC Metro, here are some additional ways to get around within Washington, D.C. Consider biking. Washington, D.C. is a bike-friendly city with a growing network of bike lanes and bike-sharing programs. Renting a bike or using your own can be a convenient and efficient way to navigate shorter distances and explore the city. You can also utilize ride-sharing services. Services like Uber and Lyft are widely available in Washington, D.C. and can be a convenient option, especially for shorter trips or when the metro doesn't reach your desired destination. By following these essential tips for riding the metro in Washington, D.C., you'll be able to navigate the system with confidence and blend in with the locals. Remember to get a Smartrip Card, stand on the right, check for track work, avoid rush hour when possible, and be mindful of metro etiquette. With a little preparation and awareness, you'll be able to explore the city efficiently and enjoy a seamless metro experience. Riding the DC Metro provides a convenient and efficient way to explore Washington, D.C. While it may seem daunting at first, following these do's and don'ts will help you navigate the system like a seasoned local. From getting a Smartrip Card or using the app for easy fare payment, to being mindful of escalator etiquette and avoiding rush hour crowds, these tips will ensure a smooth and enjoyable metro experience. So hop on to Metro. Discover the rich history, vibrant culture, and iconic landmarks of Washington, D.C., and enjoy your journey through the heart of the nation's capital.